Watch and turn up the speakers, shut the fuck up and listen to my flow, make ya mind blow like heaters. Play attention as I put the flavor in your ear, make your conscious disappear, then watch your soul unclear. Get the fuck out the way before I blow your head off, cause I'm drunk, I'm literally and lyrically throwed off. Look at the way I spit, make the box hit him more like the insane dude I stay locked in. I'm a bad brother, so dude grow the fuck up and go to hell and watch your soul get so fucked up. So many clowns I just circle around him, so profound it's a lyrical curse that makes your consciousness flurry down. Just watch this a stick up, don't wait to get fucked up when you see me come in with the shovel. I'll lig your head up, you can call it going to hell, then experiencing death on so many levels. I guess when I spit furious like Notorious, it has the bitches screaming thinking they are victorious. Now leave with knowing who is the best, or leave with fire under your ass like those who are the rest.
Ah, here comes the lyrical murder. Time for you to shut the hell up and rot in your grave. Don't ever try to get saved, then rise up from being slave. These dudes ain't ready. Time to bring the machete, then give them a nightmare on my street like Freddy. I'm so ahead when it comes to bringing those gold figures. I hit so hard on the verse like baseball's 6 figures. So mean the way I bring the cuisine, shoving your head with lyrics that are unseen. Come near the master and watch the depths of hell bring up forth the natural disaster, and watch my knife come, behold my blasters. With rhymes more clearer than crystals, my lyrical is more visual that it makes television seem invisible. I shoot pistols, riddle your body with blood, then watch your soul disappear in the middle. Don't catch me when I'm under your brain unless you wanna get torched with your mind insane. I'm sort of like the wind to the sky, I'm a firefighter jet, I stay fly till I die. So give up, I'm unable to withstand, give up and give in, hit damn.